Brain Training for Dogs Review. Hi, my name is Emily and I am shy to speak in the mic. So, I use this awesome robotic voice to create unbiased product reviews. Adrienne Faricelli's Brain Training for Dogs is a force-free training program to develop your dog's intelligence with positive reinforcement. Adrienne Faricelli is a professional CPDT-KA certified dog trainer living in Arizona. She created this program for those dogs who have following behavioral problems. 1. Aggressive behavior towards strangers. 2. Barking on people for no reason even in relaxed environment. 3. Demanding attention all the time. 4. Running around the house here and there for no reason, hyperactiveness. 5. Biting while playing. 6. Whining at night. 7. Suffering from anxiety. 8. Has a fear of certain things or sounds. Brain Training for Dogs uses a series of 21 fun games to enhance your dog's intelligence. The 5 course modules are taught in a series from easier to advanced, laid out in the form of traditional education. The course starts with an introduction module to help you train successfully. After the introduction are the obedience lessons. The first module after obedience is Preschool. It includes target training and 2 attention games which are highly important for dogs' intelligence development. Next is Elementary module where your dog will have fun with games like the muffin tin and ball pit. In High School module, your dog will learn how to calm down on cue and play games that are the basis for scent work. Scent work is fun, engages the dog's mind and body, and gives your dog purpose. College module continues with more scent work and games that encourage patience as well as build confidence. In next 3 modules, University, Graduation and Einstein, your dog will learn games that will increase scent discrimination, prepare your dog for agility training and perform interesting tricks. If you plan to go into agility training, retrieving, search and rescue, service dog or other advanced programs, these lessons will be essential for your dog to know. Pros: it is a force-free training which means it only uses techniques of positive reinforcements. Its author is a certified dog trainer who trained thousands of dogs, both elder and younger. It's an easy-to-read training with lots of pictures. In addition to brain training, you also get obedience, tricks, advanced training tips, puppy training, and behavior training. Cons: some items required for the game are not things you would have on hand. This training can be bought only from the official website of the creator. I have searched a lot for a discount coupon and finally I have found one. Though this training is normally priced at $67, you can get Brain Training for Dogs at a reasonable discounted price of only $47. To activate my $20 discount coupon, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.